Ever found yourself staring at a payment terminal, wondering if that little GrabPay icon staring back at you actually means anything? Or maybe you're new to the Grab ecosystem, downloaded the app, and now you're thinking, okay, cool, but where can I actually use this thing beyond booking a ride? If you've ever had those thoughts, you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into the surprisingly vast world of where you can pay with GrabPay. Gone are the days when GrabPay was just for your rides. It's evolved into a formidable digital wallet, a go-to for millions across Southeast Asia. Think of it as your virtual purse, but one that's accepted in a whole lot more places than just your average taxi. Let's break down the main categories, starting with the obvious. First up, and probably the reason many of you got GrabPay in the first place, is within the Grab app itself. This is your home base. Of course, you can use GrabPay for all Grab services, GrabCar, GrabFood, GrabMart, GrabExpress, basically anything with Grab in front of it. This is where it all started, and it's still incredibly convenient. Imagine ordering your favorite pad thai on GrabFood, having it delivered, and paying seamlessly with just a few taps. Or needing a quick ride across town and not fumbling for cash. This is the core utility, and it's a huge time saver. But GrabPay's reach extends far beyond the Grab app. Next, we have in-store payments. This is where things get really interesting. Many physical merchants, from small cafes to large retail chains, now accept GrabPay. Look for the GrabPay QR code at the counter. It's usually a sticker or a small stand. You simply open your Grab app, tap Scan to pay, scan the QR code, enter the amount, if it's not pre-filled, and confirm. It's quick, secure, and means you don't always need your physical wallet. Think about buying your morning coffee, grabbing groceries at the supermarket, or even shopping for clothes. More and more businesses are adopting this, making GrabPay a genuine alternative to cards or cash. Then there are online merchants and e-commerce platforms. Beyond GrabFood and GrabMart, a growing number of independent online stores and even major e-commerce players are integrating GrabPay as a payment option at checkout. When you're making an online purchase, keep an eye out for the GrabPay logo among the payment methods. This can be super handy, especially if you have GrabPay credits or simply prefer the convenience of using your digital wallet for online shopping. This extends to things like booking flights, hotel stays, or even buying tickets for events through partner websites. And let's not forget bill payments and top-ups. In some regions, GrabPay allows you to pay your utility bills, top up your mobile phone credit, or even pay for subscriptions directly through the app. This varies by country and specific partnerships, but it's a massive convenience, consolidating various payments into one platform. No more juggling different apps or visiting multiple websites for your monthly obligations. Finally, consider peer-to-peer transfers. While not a payment to a merchant in the traditional sense, you can also send and receive money from other GrabPay users. This is perfect for splitting bills with friends, paying back a loan, or simply transferring funds quickly and easily. So, from your daily commute and your favorite takeout to your weekly grocery run and even your online shopping sprees, GrabPay is increasingly becoming the ubiquitous payment method across Southeast Asia. Its convenience, security features, and the integrated reward system make it a compelling choice for everyday transactions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.